You are a descendant of the subterranean worlds, the inner crux of all creation, the level that you are able to ascend, or better yet, descend, sink into, and then raise up. That level is something beyond any form of science or spirituality perpetuated by the so-called powers that be could ever speak about. This is going beyond the normal scope of the occult, the normal scope of what's in those goddamn books, the normal scope of what you've been taught spirituality is. This is the new doctrine handed down from the ancestors of the Infernal Empire. This information will never expire. It will set your soul on fire. Each and every time you begin to engage in dealing with the dark and the light forces of spirituality, you create a new portal, allowing yourself to walk in that portal and create your own personal portals. You need your own personal portals, your own methods, your own methodologies. Hyperversal space, sorcery, witchcraft, spell casting, hoodoo, voodoo, that black magic that you do, fortifies and builds and allows you to bridge the gap between religion and spirituality, occultism, and go beyond the veil and see exactly what's going on. Spirits will begin to appear to you more and more. You're going to be awakened from your sleep a lot more. The angels and demons, the extraterrestrials, the fucking ancestors that are always with you are going to start making themselves more known. Really, really getting at you more and more. It is time for you to start creating these inner workings, these inner portals by pure thought, aligning yourself up with the energy of the ancestors by way of letting your intuition, letting your spirit guide you along the way, creating your own personal ministry, your own way of doing your spiritual work. Walk your walk, talk your talk. Hell is a concept, so don't fear it. It is a state of mind. Heaven is a state of mind. And you can go to either or by way of your thoughts, words, actions, and emotions. The black dot within our melanin supercharges us to ritualize each and everything we do and turn it into a reality. Do you realize your approach, the way you see things, affects the way that thing works for you? When you look at life through the lens of unlimited potentiality with no goddamn technicalities, it becomes just that. But when you look at life through the eyes of just being a fucking human, a professional bill payer, when you start learning about spirituality, you're going to become intimidated very quickly. You got to push past that intimidation that comes upon you by your lower self and the spirits around you and the people around you that don't want to see you rise up through the ranks. This is the new doctrine of Black spirituality, an extension of the Egyptian mystery schools, a new form of chaos, a new form of chaos magic, a new form of occultism, Satanism, Luciferianism, spirituality, self-mastery. You are now being indoctrinated into the new doctrine of Black spirituality. Sit your ass down and let your mind move around. Get into the rhythmical patterns of Saturn, Satan, aka melanin, projecting new methodologies, new epiphanies by way of your light, your Lucifer. Your oxy-luciferin, that beautiful chemical inside of you that allows you to create realms of reality at a moment's notice. Connect with the darker powers of what's inside of you. Begin to elevate, work from the inside out, not from the outside in. View everything and solve all of your problems from the inside out. Learn to go inside of yourself and see how you want things to be. See it and feel it. Feelings get things done. Feelings get things done. Feelings are the strongest spirits you can tap into. Their emotions, aka energy in motion. Allow these methodologies to take you to a whole nother level of excellence. This is the new doctrine of Black spirituality, episode 2. The saga continues.